Hey Sean, so reading your post, my first reflex was to create a mini C++ project and then make a custom player controller and add some input component in it. And unfortunately, if I may say so, it worked very well. But doing some tests, I noticed an inconsistency, and this inconsistency I could reproduce within the simple C++ third-person project. So I'm not going to send you this project. Instead, I'm going to use a bare C++ first third-person project, this one. So, and I'm going to show you that I get some very strange behavior that might be related to my problem. So there is no customization in this project. This is really the out-of-the-box C++ third-person project. So if I play with only one server, I get my controls here, as you can see, and if I hit Shift and F1, then I get the arrow, the cursor back, and if I click on the screen, then I go back into the controls, which is a normal behavior. Now if I put one client, I get the correct behavior with the client. You can see I've got my cursor, and if I click on the screen, I get my controls back. But if I go on the server here, as you can see, I'm clicking currently on the screen, and you can see that nothing is happening. So I cannot go into the control on the server. If I want to move, I had to click on the button and not release it. So here I am maintaining the left mouse button down. But if I release it, I do not go into the game, so to speak, and I do not have my controls. And if I do this with 3 players, I get the correct behavior with client 2, as you can see here. Boom, back into my controls. But I get a wrong behavior in client 1 and on the server, which I cannot click. So it's not exactly the same as my problem. My problem is more complicated in my project, but I think this is not very consistent, and I don't know if it's the intended behavior. So can you tell me if this is normal or not? If it's not normal, then you've got some repro step for one bug at least. And if it's normal, then I'm going to spend more time trying to reproduce my specific problem on my project. So here again, the common point with my project is that the mouse can only be used on the last machine that connects into the game. And on the previous machine, like client 1 and server here, I get a wrong behavior in my opinion. All right, thank you very much. Bye.